Hi guys, today I am at Ikea and guess who I got to come with me for this?
Hello!
This is my husband Joshua, for those of you that are new. I haven't seen any of my videos before. I feel like you haven't been in a video in a while, but today we're doing a little shopping at Ikea. It's always a big trip to come to Ikea. It's kind of far from our house, so we are redoing like our office, so I'll be showing videos of that coming very soon so you guys can see what it looks like now, what it's gonna look like. So anyway, we're coming here today to get some office stuff, some bookcase type things. You guys will see it all in upcoming videos, but that's kind of why we were coming here, and I thought I would just show you guys around, see if anything is new, see if we can find anything cool. So hope you enjoy. We're doing a little shop with me and we'll show you guys what we end up getting. We are in, and I'm not going to go through and show like every single room, but this one is very adorable and I love these little hanging things to put plants in. I told Joshua when we find these I need to grab them. They're probably in like the marketplace area, but I would like to get a couple. And then look at these cabinets on the wall. I thought these little leather hooks were really cool. I love that. Do those come separately? They do. I want to get some of those. $11 for a 2-pack. Joshua.
What?
Look at these little leather handles. I don't know what I would put them on, but I feel like I need them for something. I feel like that just makes that cabinet look so cool. Oh, and they have them on that cabinet too. Here's another little room. I always love that Quebec Sofa. I think it's really nice and modern. The only thing with the Ikea sofas, a lot of them are very low to the ground. So the one we have, we got legs for it, and it made it a little bit taller. I love that light too. It is crooked, but I feel like that would look cool in my office area. So we're getting ideas for like our desk area and stuff. We're going to be painting the room and redoing some things, so that will be in an upcoming video. This room, I haven't seen here before. This must be like a new layout, but this looks so cool. I even love those stairs. I don't think they sell those here. I'm not sure, but I think this just looks really cute and modern in here. Even the kitchen setup. Okay, we're looking for a certain bookcase with doors. So none of these have doors. Oh, this one does, but this isn't the one. $3.99. This is pretty though. This would be pretty like as a china cabinet in your house. So this is actually what I'm looking for. These Billy bookcases with the doors on them. Except I think I want to get it in white. So I'm going to use this for storage for like purses, shoes, stuff like that, because our closet in our bedroom is literally overflowing because we share it. So I think this will definitely help. You can get just like one of them or two. We're gonna figure that out. So we are in the office areas, and everything that we need we pretty much can't find, but I did just run into these chairs. How cute are those? I love these chairs, and even this table. Really cool. Everything that we were looking for office wise so far, we don't see what we need, so might have to settle for something else or just not get it today. We are now entering the marketplace. I'm gonna link some other Ikea videos that I've done in the past where you can see like a lot more of like the layouts of the rooms and stuff, because I feel like they don't change them too frequently. So I don't have much in my hands yet. A couple knobs. Can't go wrong with a cool wood cutting board. Kind of want to get another one. I don't know why I love buying cutting boards so much. Maybe I shouldn't do it. But $9.99 for those. So far in my cart, I literally just have these wooden, or not wooden, leather little pulls, knobs, and then these gold ones. I'm deciding between the two. We are now in the pillows. You can kind of show some of the decorative pillows. But I do have to say, I love this one. Right here. And guess what? I think it's out of stock. I gotta be honest, guys, that's kind of how my day is going here at Ikea. Everything that I want, they don't have. I guess I should have checked online before we came, but if you have an Ikea near you and you can get this pillow, congratulations, because I can't. I like this one too, but all the good ones, they don't seem to have any stock. I like this one. I don't think they have that either. I wanted to show all of these bamboo looking lights too, because a lot of stores online will sell these for hundreds of dollars. So they're like, some of them are $39.99, $19.99. I think the largest one was like $69, I think. So they have some cool options here. Really pretty. Some of these mirrors are cool. I hadn't seen this one before at Ikea, the round one for $49. Lots of floor mirrors. Those are cool. Oh my gosh, literally. Another thing that I wanted was this little macrame plant holder, and it's gone. All of them. What is happening? Very unsuccessful trip so far. But they have this one, and I thought this was kind of adorable, so I'm just gonna grab that one. Alright, to the warehouse. It's a couple days later from when we went to Ikea, but the cabinets we got, Joshua actually put them together yesterday, so I'll show you guys those in a second. I wanted to just share with you guys everything that I ended up getting from Ikea. I didn't end up getting the little plant hangers that hang from the ceiling. Those macrame ones or rope looking ones I really wanted, and then the other basket one I think I showed, I didn't end up getting that one because I was like, well, I really wish I was getting the other one. So anyway, couple things. I'm gonna set the camera down. Couple things I ended up getting. This little clear jar with a wooden top. I actually had this in mind for like all of my laundry detergent pods in my laundry room. I thought that would look nice. Maybe put like a pretty label on it or something. So they actually had a bunch of these, and I thought these would be great for like pantry organization. But really pretty with like that wooden top, and they had a few different like shapes and sizes too. Okay, another like really random thing I got was a pillow. I actually got two pillows. I got this one, which, guys, the Ikea names are so hard to pronounce. Got this one. Obviously I haven't opened this one yet. And then I got another one. What was the name of it? This is the name of the other one I got, and I slept with this one last night, and I really liked it. I have a pillow from Ikea that I got like 3 years ago that I'm obsessed with, and it's old. I definitely needed a different pillow. They actually didn't make that same one anymore, so I had to try out a couple different ones. Okay, next, upstairs. That's where the good stuff is. You guys are going to love it. Okay, I wasn't planning on showing you guys anything upstairs, so just keep in mind this upstairs, huge work in progress. I didn't just clean it or anything, so just keep in mind it's work in progress. I have a vision for up here, but our downstairs, if you guys haven't been following my channel for a while, we've remodeled the entire downstairs, painted, redid all the trim. Upstairs, I haven't painted many rooms, and we haven't redone the trim. And then I really don't like the carpet, but at the same time, our dogs, like, if I redid the carpet up here, I feel like, I don't know, it just wouldn't end up being good. But anyway, keep in mind, work in progress. Flipping the camera now. So right when you walk upstairs, this is just like a landing area, and we obviously have like an assortment of random furniture up here. So Originally, like this is Joshua's area, this is my area. So originally my plan when we were going to Ikea, I wanted to get one long desk so we could have like his setup, my setup, kind of have like a double office situation. Unfortunately, they did not have anything that we needed. This is actually an Ikea desk that I got a few years ago. I really like it. So what I was gonna do is just get one more piece of this, and then we were gonna get one more top and put that all over here, but they don't make this in white anymore, and they were sold out of like everything. I don't know why I was thinking I was going to be able to get a desk at Ikea with everybody doing like homeschooling, working from home. There was literally like no desk options available. We even looked at some other ones, like everything was out of stock. Okay, as you turn the corner, this is where it gets good. So this was where my office was, this bedroom, but I'm kind of making it more into like, I don't know, maybe like a closet slash maybe get ready. I might put like a beauty desk in here, something to do like my makeup or whatever. So anyway, these are the cabinets. So these are the Billy bookshelves, and they have the glass doors on them. So Joshua put these together yesterday, and I absolutely love them. They come with just like a white wooden knob, and we actually got these knobs from Ikea too. They're like a little kind of like leather strap. I actually think it would be really pretty if this was gold, but I think it just looks so cool. It makes it look really unique. It makes the cabinets just look, I don't know, just gives them like a really fun look. So I already started putting like shoes and some bags in there. I don't know for sure. I ended up throwing that stuff in there like late last night, so I don't know for sure what I'm going to do with that. But this is also like a clothing rack from Ikea that I've had for a little while. I'm thinking about what I'm going to do with this room. Keep this here. I was thinking about maybe putting like a cute little table here for like makeup and getting ready. I have my big mirror here. This on the other side is all clothes that I'm getting rid of. So probably some things like the nicer items I'm going to put up on Poshmark. A lot of the things I'm going to donate. I already gave a huge bag away to one of my friends. Yeah, I have a lot of clothes I need to. This is all stuff I want to get rid of. Did another big closet purge. So over here, I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I might just put this white clothing rack over here, and that'll be for like clothes that I have for upcoming videos. Sometimes I get like sent things, so I might just put this pretty white clothing rack over there. And I think I need like a plant in here now. I was thinking right over here in this corner, it would have been really cute to have like the hanging plants. So yeah, I still got to figure out what I want to do in here, or who knows, maybe I will bring my desk back in here. But I love how the bookcases look. Joshua anchored them to the wall, so they're not going to move. Just know, if you guys want to get these you have to get separately. Before I forget, I actually got these little knobs too, because I wasn't sure if I was going to like these or not on the cabinet. So I actually grabbed these as well, but I didn't end up using them. I cut off the bottom because we did end up using the screws that came in this one because they were longer, and we needed longer screws for this little guy. So that's that. I love it. So I kind of gotta clean up some other stuff in here, but this is a start. So this is going to be kind of my project for the next month or two. We definitely want to paint that landing out there and then redo the trim. We've already redone the trim and painted in this room, so that's something we want to work on next. Kind of get that office area figured out soon, hopefully, if we can get any furniture for it in there. But if you guys have any suggestions for me, leave it down below in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, coming along, shopping. I hope you guys are doing well. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new or haven't subscribed yet. And yeah, I hope you all are just doing great, and I will see you really soon in my next video.